Embarking on the profound journey of understanding the intricate tapestry of our soul, we uncover the soul threads that intricately weave the fabric of our existence. These threads, representing various levels of karmic imprints, hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of our past, influencing our present, and shaping the trajectory of our future. Let us explore the 5 levels of karmic imprints that form the intricate dance of energies within our soul. First, let us explore the ancestral karma. At the foundational level of our soul threads lies ancestral karma, a tapestry woven with the experiences, choices, and energies of our forebears. The imprints from previous generations create a resonance that echoes through time, influencing the circumstances of our present reality. Ancestral karma encompasses both the blessings and challenges passed down through family lines, shaping our beliefs, relationships, and life circumstances. Through the exploration of the Akashic records, we gain insights into these ancestral threads, unraveling the stories that have imprinted upon our souls. Then we have the inner child wounds. Moving beyond the ancestral realm, we encounter the delicate threads of our inner child wounds. These threads weave through the emotional landscape of our childhood, bearing witness to unmet needs, traumas, and the shaping of our earliest beliefs about ourselves and the world. Within the inner child realm, we distinguish between maternal wounds, paternal wounds, and the profound impact of the absence of nurturing figures. The threads of these wounds intertwine to create patterns that reverberate through adulthood, influencing our relationships, self-esteem, and overall well-being. Navigating these threads with compassion and understanding is a crucial step toward healing and transformation. The first subset of inner child wounds includes maternal wounds. Unearthing the maternal wounds involves exploring the relationship with the nurturing figures in our early years. These threads hold the imprints of love, support, or potential neglect, shaping our ability to receive and nurture ourselves. Then there are paternal wounds. Paternal wounds encapsulate the imprints from the father figure, influencing our sense of authority, security, and the masculine aspects of our identity. Understanding and healing these threads is essential for achieving balance and harmony. And then, of course, we have wounds that arise due to the absence of a father or mother. Equally significant are the threads that emerge from the absence of nurturing figures. The void left by the absence of maternal or paternal influences leaves imprints that demand acknowledgement and healing. The third header under the type of karma is the past life karma. Soul threads extend beyond the boundaries of a single lifetime, weaving into the intricate narrative of past life karma. These threads carry the echoes of experiences, relationships, and lessons from previous incarnations. Exploring past life karma allows us to understand recurring patterns, challenges, and connections that transcend the limitations of our current existence. By unraveling these threads, we gain insights into the broader journey of our soul's evolution. The fourth key karmic entanglement comes from the soul-level karma. Moving to a more expansive perspective, soul-level karma encompasses the overarching themes and lessons our soul has chosen to explore throughout its existence. These wounds typically arise due to the perception of separation from the Creator of all that is. It arises when the soul assumes its separation from the Creator as an independent identity. These threads connect us to the higher purpose of our soul's journey, guiding us towards growth, self-realization, and the expression of our unique gifts. Understanding soul-level karma provides a roadmap for aligning with our soul's purpose and living a life in harmony with our deepest essence. Finally, the fifth element of karmic entanglements arises from our shared karma from the collective consciousness. The final layer of soul threads extends into the collective consciousness, weaving the shared experiences, beliefs, and energies of humanity. As individuals, we are interconnected with the collective, and our soul threads carry imprints from the shared tapestry of human existence. Exploring this collective karma allows us to recognize our role in the greater unfolding of human evolution and contribute positively to the collective consciousness. Embarking on the exploration of these soul threads, we unravel the layers of karmic imprints that shape our reality. Through the wisdom gained from understanding these threads, we empower ourselves to heal, transform, and consciously co create a future aligned with the highest expression of our soul's potential.